Dear student, till now we have studied about the basic idea about electric lines of forces and the electric field region as well as intensity of electric field. So, as we have discussed earlier, intensity of electric field is defined as E is equal to F by Q naught. So, with the help of this basic fundamental formula or fundamental expression, we can determine the electric field due to different charge bodies. So, today we will discuss about the calculation of electric field due to different type of charge bodies. So, one by one all type of charge body we will consider here. So, first case is due to point charge. Due to point charge, suppose Q is the point charge, and if we want to find the electric field due to this point charge at certain distance R, let the point is P, and that point P is at a distance R from the charge Q. So, as per our basic fundamental relation F by Q naught, here Q naught is the test charge. So, first we would like to check it how much the force acting on this test charge Q naught. So, if I am putting a test charge Q naught here, so according to Coulomb's law, force on a test charge is given as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught by R square. And regarding direction, as we saw here, electric field direction is same as the direction of force on positive test charge. So, this is your positive test charge, and both positive and positive force of repulsion. So, direction of force on test charge is this. So, direction of electric field will be same as the direction of force. So, magnitude of electric field can be given as mod of F by Q naught, and that will come 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square, and here we can use n cap. N cap represents the direction, and this n cap is nothing, it is the direction along the line joining the two charges. So, this is the relation for electric field due to point charge.